Hello everyone, how are you? Myself Reena. Today I will teach you next patterns in your cursive writing book. Firstly, I am showing you your cursive writing book. This is your cursive writing book, and open your page number 24 in your cursive writing book. So let's start. Firstly, we will mention date. Today's date is 29 of June 2020. Then we will mention SW. I mean to say homework, and draw the underline also. Okay. In this page, letter similars. In this page, given some small cursive, and this cursive related similar letters. Okay. Firstly, V, W, X and Z. These four letters are similar. Okay. C, D, O, A, Z, E, Q. These all letters are similar letters. Okay. Now next, I, L, K, F, T. These all are letters, similar letters, and these letters will be made in straight line. Okay. Next, N, M, R, H, B, P. These are similar letters, and these letters will be made in hatched line. Okay. Next, U, G, Y. These three letters are similar letters, and these letters will be made in under hatched line. Okay. Next, S, K, F. These three letters are similar letters. So now we will start how to make. What is this? V, and we will make V in two line, and this W, and we will make W in two line. X, and we will make X in two line. Z, and we will make Z in three line. Okay. Next, C, we will make C in two line. D in three line. O, we will make O in two line. A, we will make A in two line. G, we will make G in three line. E, we will make E in two line. And Q, we will make Q in three line. These are similar letters, and these all letters make in round shape. Okay. Next, I, we will make I in two line. L in three line. K in three line, and F in four line, and last T in three line. These all letters are similar, and these all letters will be made in straight line. Okay. Now next, N. We will make N in two line. M in two line, and we will make R in two line. we will make H in in 3 line, and we will make B in 3 line, and we will make P in 3 line. I hope you all are understood. Okay, next. So these all letters are similar. We will make U in 2 line. We will make G in 3 line, and we will make Y in 3 line. These 3 letters are similar, and these letters will be made in under-hatched line. Okay, next, S. We will make S in 2 line. We will make K in 3 line, and we will make F in 4 line. I hope you all are understood. Same like this. On this page you will firstly mention date, then SW, homework, then we will start work. Same group of letters start in the same place and similar shape. These all letters are start from similar shape and same place. These all letters will be made in round shape. So let us start. Firstly, we will trace this line. These all letters will be made in round shape, in same place and similar shape. Okay, these all letters will be made in round shape like this. And firstly we will trace this line, then we will start in next line, and we will make all cursive letters in next line. C, D, O, A, G, Q. Again, these all letters will be made in round shape like this, and same place. These all letters will be start from same place. A. You can see these all letters start from same place. These all letters will be start from same place like this. Okay, same place. C, D, O, A. You can see these all letters start from same place and will be made in similar shape. C, D, O, A, G, Q. We will complete this page. C, D, O, A, G, Q, C, D, O, A, G, Q. C D O A G Q. And last line C D O A G and Q. You will do this page same like this. Firstly, you will trace this line, then after you will make these cursive, and these cursive are similar letters, and these all letters will be start from same place and we will make in similar shape. Okay, I hope you all are understood. If you have any problem related this topic, you can send me message by chat box. Okay, now we will meet in our next class. Okay, bye bye children.